What if I told you that you don't need to spend a fortune to bake like a pro? Shortcake emoji. Today, I'm revealing the top 8 best budget stand mixers that deliver power, performance, and value without breaking the bank. Welcome to my channel. Check the links in the description to grab your favorite at the best price and start baking smarter today. At number 8 is WESTCOOKAID Beater and Whisk Stand Mixer. What if a budget-friendly stand mixer could handle 11 dozen cookies in one batch? The WESTCOOKAID Beater and Whisk Stand Mixer surprises you right away. Many home bakers worry about small bowls, weak motors, and messy counters. This one tackles that with a generous 6.3-quart stainless steel bowl, dual handles for grip, and strong suction cups that keep it stable. 6 speeds plus pulse give you real control, while full planetary mixing ensures no dry pockets hiding at the bottom. I like that it handles up to 4.1 pounds of dough with built-in overheat protection. Peace of mind matters. Compared to heavier commercial-style mixers in our lineup, this feels lighter and more family-focused, though not as industrial in torque. Cleanup is simple, attachments are dishwasher-safe, and safety features are reassuring. For families and baking enthusiasts wanting capacity without overspending, this is a smart, comfortable choice. At number 7 is Ooni Hello Pro Spiral Stand Mixer. What if the secret to bakery quality bread at home isn't your recipe, but your mixer? The Ooni Hello Pro Spiral Stand Mixer completely flips the script. Most people struggle with weak gluten, sticky dough, and underpowered cheap stand mixers that overheat halfway through kneading. That frustration ends here. With true spiral mixing technology, rotating bowl, spiral hook, and removable breaker bar, it builds stronger dough structure just like professional bakery machines. And yes, it gives you control with 58 speed settings, from 60 revolutions per minute to over 1000. That's precision most affordable stand mixers simply can't match. Now, is it the cheapest option in our lineup? No. But compared to standard planetary mixers in this category, it delivers noticeably better bread texture and consistency. The whisk and flexible beater handle cakes beautifully too. Minor downside? It's premium priced for budget. Still, for serious bakers wanting peace of mind and real performance, this is a smart, confident investment. On number 6 is Bonnor LED Smart Touchscreen Stand Mixer. What if your stand mixer could think for you? The Bonnor LED Smart Touchscreen Stand Mixer feels like the future of affordable baking. Most beginners struggle with speed settings, overmixing, and loud, shaky machines. Here, one-touch auto programs handle kneading, whisking, and mixing with confidence. Tap. Start. Relax. That built-in timer? Total peace of mind. The 660-watt motor, paired with full 360-degree planetary mixing, powers through heavy dough better than many cheap stand mixers in this range. And it stays impressively quiet. Compared to more basic models in our lineup, this one feels smarter and more user-friendly, though it may not match premium spiral systems for artisan bread. Cleanup is easy. Stability is solid. For families, beginners, and busy home bakers wanting value without complexity, this is a smart, reassuring buy. Serious pros might want more torque, but most homes won't. At number 5 is Hauswirt High-End Smart Stand Mixer. Can a stand mixer actually upgrade your kitchen experience and not just your dough? The Hauswirt High-End Smart Stand Mixer makes a bold first impression with that late green finish, but this is more than looks. Many buyers fear weak motors, confusing controls, and messy counters. Here, the 4.5-inch LED touch screen displays time and speed clearly, freeing you from constant monitoring. Smart timing. 11 speeds. Smooth control. The 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl handles family batches comfortably, while the tilt head design keeps things practical. Compared to simpler affordable stand mixers in our lineup, this feels more refined and modern, though it is slightly pricier than entry-level options. Performance on bread dough is reliable, not industrial level like spiral systems, but strong enough for regular home baking. Attachments are dishwasher safe, huge relief. If you value smart features and style with solid power, this is a confident choice. Beginners and design lovers will appreciate it most, hardcore artisan bakers may want heavier torque. At number 4 is Zacme Commercial Stand Mixer. What if your home kitchen could handle bakery-level batches without breaking a sweat? The Zacme Commercial Stand Mixer is built for serious volume. Many buyers worry about weak motors, overheating, or having to mix dough in small batches again and again. This solves that instantly. With an 800-watt direct current motor, durable metal gears, and an 8.4-quart stainless steel bowl, it confidently kneads up to 3 kilograms of dough in one go. That's a game changer. The 11-speed settings and digital timer give you control and freedom. Set it, step away, breathe. Even better, noise stays surprisingly low, which most heavy-duty affordable stand mixers fail to manage. Compared to sleeker smart models in our lineup, this one focuses more on power than fancy design. It is bulkier, yes. But for large families, small businesses, or bread lovers who want strength and safety standards compliance, this is a smart, dependable investment. On number 3 is Fiwotooji Dough Hook Stand Mixer. 900 watts in a so-called affordable stand mixer, overkill or hidden gem? The Fiwotooji Dough Hook Stand Mixer immediately grabs attention with its commercial-grade pure copper motor pushing up to 190 revolutions per minute. That means serious kneading power. Many buyers fear weak dough mixers that stall on thick bread or sourdough. This one powers through confidently. 6 speeds plus pulse give you control, low for kneading, medium for batter, high for whipping. The 8-quart stainless steel bowl is generous, easily serving large families, and the height-adjustable design handles small batches just as well. Stability matters, and 6 suction feet with automatic power cutoff on tilt add real peace of mind. Compared to lighter family-focused mixers in our lineup, this feels more heavy-duty, though slightly bulkier and louder. For big batches and bread lovers wanting strength without premium pricing, this is a smart, reassuring investment. At number 2 is Bosbak Stainless Steel Bowl Stand Mixer. 30-quart capacity in a so-called affordable stand mixer, who is this really for? The Bosbak Stainless Steel Bowl Stand Mixer is built like a bakery workhorse. Many buyers fear underpowered motors and small bowls that limit production. This machine eliminates that worry instantly. With a massive 30-quart stainless steel bowl handling up to 22 pounds of dough and a powerful 1,250-watt motor, it is designed for serious volume. 3 speed settings keep operation simple, while the sturdy bowl lock and splash guard add real safety and peace of mind. Noise stays under 76 decibels, which is impressive for this size. Compared to smaller household mixers in our lineup, this is far more commercial and less compact. It is not for tiny kitchens. But for bakeries, restaurants, or home businesses needing strength and reliability, this is a confident, heavy-duty investment that delivers consistent results. Now moving to the last one is Kenmore Elite Ovation Stand Mixer. What if the mess, not the mixing, has been your biggest baking problem all along? The Kenmore Elite Ovation Stand Mixer solves that instantly with its clever pour-through top and full 360-degree splash guard. No flying flour. No stopping mid-recipe. That alone feels like relief. Many buyers worry about weak motors in affordable stand mixers, but the 500-watt motor with 10 speeds delivers steady, reliable power for bread dough, cake batter, and whipped cream. The 5-quart glass bowl adds a premium touch you rarely see at this level. Compared to larger commercial units in our lineup, this one is more family-friendly and less intimidating, though not built for massive batches. 9 included attachments add serious versatility. The 5-year warranty brings real peace of mind. For home bakers who value cleanliness, convenience, and solid everyday performance, this is a smart, confident choice. If I had to choose one overall winner, it would be the Zacme Commercial Stand Mixer. Why? Because it delivers the best balance of power, capacity, durability, and long-term value. With its 800-watt motor, large 8.4-quart bowl, and solid metal gears, it handles serious bread dough without struggling. You get strength, stability, safety features, and commercial-grade reliability at a price that still makes sense. If you want performance that grows with your baking skills, this is the smartest investment. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best budget stand mixer. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.